Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joelle here, and from the title you can tell I'm gonna teach y'all how to do some lash clusters, or I'm gonna show y'all how to do lash clusters. Either way, I'm gonna show y'all. Now if you want a tutorial on this beautiful bronzy look that I just did, or that is on my face, I just made a video, so go and watch that, because why would you come here and not watch my other video first? I thought we was friends. Say this is a tutorial, but I'm just going to show y'all what I personally do. If you don't know how to do them on your own and you can just follow what I do, I don't know, but I'm gonna just show y'all anyway. So I have two types of lash clusters here. I have the what is called magnetic. I don't know if it's a S or I don't know if it's a K or L, but this is the magnetic SK lashes. I got these from Amazon. I will have them somewhere linked, or the name of something somewhere for y'all to see. But these are like my all-time favorite lashes. I started out with these lashes. This is how I taught myself how to do lash clusters, with these lashes. And then, you know, I tried other ones. Now I recently got sent these ones by Max Comfy. Y'all, love them. These are more dramatic than these, but these are gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. So again, I'll have this one linked somewhere as well for y'all, but these are more full. So if you like fuller lashes, then these are good for you. If you're a beginner, you want something more natural, then you might want to try these. I can't even talk. Then you might want to try these. Now the reason why I'm going to use these, even though I'm using the Bond and Seal from these lashes, is because again, those are more full and I want something natural right now. I literally just took these off, so I'll have like the remover process somewhere in the video for y'all to see, because I just took them off. But I wanted something a little more natural, so that's why I'm using these. But I am going to use the Bond and Seal from the Max Comfy lashes. All right, so let's get into it. So again, I'm gonna show somewhere in the video of me removing the lashes, because it's super duper easy. I literally just took the remover, I rubbed it back and forth on my lashes, did that a couple times. I let it sit for like not even 30 seconds. And then I took a makeup wipe and I removed the product off my eyelashes, and all the glue and all the gunk came off instantly. This is what the Bond and Seal looks like. Most lash clusters come with the same Bond and Seal, honestly. Some of them might be clear, some of them might be black, but either way, it is going to have two sides that say the Bond and one that says the Seal. All right, girlies, so I already did this eye. Now I'm going to show you what I did on this eye. So I'm just going to take the Bond. Again, mine is black. I'm going to lift my lash, and again, we're going to just apply it. We're just going to apply this at the base of our lash. Do not brush this through. Okay, now, I know I told y'all I usually don't like the cat eye look, but I kind of played around with these lashes and it's giving cat eye, but that's all right. So I'm going to take a number 16. I actually use 316. So I'm going to take a number 16. I am going to grab it by the top part like this, and this is going to go in the center of my eye. So actually I'm gonna start on the end, just because I already know where I mapped everything. So I'm just going to apply a 16 here. I'm going to take another 16. I'm going to apply that next to it. Don't put this too low, because the lash should not be touching this like pink part underneath here. If the lash touches there, you're gonna have a problem. It's gonna be irritating you and you're gonna want to take the lashes off. So just lay it close enough, but do not place it on there. I'm gonna take another 16. And I'm gonna go right next to that one, like that. Then I'm going to go in with a 14. She's going to go here, like that. And then I'm going to take a number 12, which is the shortest length, and she's going to go in the inner corner. Now, I don't like to put these too close to my inner corner, because they'll start to irritate me and then I'll wind up taking them off. So just apply them where they are comfortable for you. So I just like to blink, look down, look around, and if it's not poking or irritating you, then that's how you know you've done them the right way. So I'm not sure if I showed, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. When you guys are taking the lashes off of the little tray here, okay, grab them at the bottom. So just pull them up a little bit and then push forward. That's how you take them off. When you are applying the lashes to your eye, right? Because again, this is how we picked it up off the tray, right? You're gonna want to have your tweezers and grab them like this at the top when you're placing them on your eye. That's just a little tip, okay? Also, I know I'm doing it showing y'all because that's what I'm here for, but when you are putting on your lashes, have a mirror that you're looking down into so that it's easier for you when you are putting the lashes on. Or look straight into a mirror and then slightly lift your lashes like this, how I was showing y'all when you are applying them. I'm telling y'all, it is really not as hard as it seems to apply these lash clusters. I know it can be kind of getting used to the glue, honestly, and the placement, but once you get it down pat, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be so easy. All right, so now I'm just gonna take these tweezers. Now sometimes I'll switch it up. Sometimes I use these kind of tweezers right here. That's supposed to be like a little easier, and sometimes I use just my regular tweezers to apply them. But I like these tweezers because I like to take these tweezers and kind of pinch the lash like this and kind of make them, you know, adhere to my actual lashes. And again, make sure you're blinking, moving your eye around, and make sure it's comfortable, because if it's uncomfortable, they're not gonna stay. I'll let you know right now, you're gonna wanna rip them off. Okay, so now that we've done all of that, the last step is just to seal them. It's that easy. So some sealers look like this. Some of them is just a straight wand. It just depends on what type of lashes you get. This one, I do like when they come like this with this little ball, because it makes it easy to seal them. So I'm just going to lift my lash, and then I just like to run this at the base of the lash, because again, I said do not put that glue too far up. Do not brush them through your lashes. You're just sealing where the glue is at the base of the lash. So just brush it back and forth. I just like to push it up a little bit like this. I like to go on the sides here, because sometimes, depending on how far we go over with the glue, it can be sticky, and this is basically getting rid of all like the stickiness. So I like to do this. Do not rake this either through the lash, because they're gonna make the lashes really hard, and you don't want that. You want these to look like you went to a lash tech, and they look nice and fluffy and full. So just apply this seal at the base. Do not brush it through. I know it can kind of look deceiving because of the spoolie, but don't do it. If you need this to like push under here, then that's cool. But I'm telling you, do not rake this through your lash. They're gonna be crunchy. Okay, so once I've applied the seal, I'm then gonna take those tweezers again, and I am just pressing at the base. Pressing at the base. At the base. Okay, y'all hear me? At the base. And then voila, you have lashes. Another tip to make your lash clusters stay is to make sure that there is no, when I say no tackiness, because a lot of people are like, well, my lashes fell off, you know, when I went to sleep and I woke up, they was on my pillow. Yeah, because they still have tackiness to them. Of course, when they press on into anything, it's going to stick to it. That's what the seal is basically for. So just take your finger and just kind of like press on the lashes and like feel them. Don't be afraid to feel in the lashes. If you feel any type of stickiness, tackiness, go back in with your seal and just press it on that area. Because I'm telling you right now, if it's still tacky, they're not gonna last, and they're gonna come off when you fall asleep. And that is it. Again, if your lashes are not tacky, they are on, they are comfortable, you can move your eyes all around, they're not bothering you, you've done it, sister. You've just applied your lash clusters. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you have any comments, any questions, let me know down in the bottom. I will try to get back to y'all as fast as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.